Imagine taking a sip of water from a beautiful Roman cup, not knowing it contains deadly lead. This wasn't just imagination for ancient Romans, it was reality. Welcome to the fascinating history of environmental toxicology, the science of how harmful substances affect our world. Humans have always had a complex relationship with toxic substances. Ancient civilizations used arsenic and mercury as medicines, not realizing these cures were often worse than the diseases. But it wasn't until the Industrial Revolution that we really began creating problems on a massive scale. The 1800s brought factories belching black smoke into cities, turning London's famous fog into deadly smog. Workers in match factories developed phossy jaw from phosphorus exposure, their jawbones literally glowing in the dark. These horrifying events sparked the first real scientific investigations into environmental poisons. But the real wake-up call came in the 1960s. Rachel Carson's book, Silent Spring, revealed how DDT, a pesticide once thought harmless, was devastating bird populations. The bald eagle, America's national symbol, was nearly wiped out. Carson's work didn't just save birds, it launched the modern environmental movement. The field exploded with discoveries. Scientists found mercury poisoning in Minamata Bay was causing devastating birth defects. The Love Canal disaster exposed how buried chemicals could poison entire communities. Each tragedy taught us something new about how toxins move through ecosystems. These lessons led to revolutionary changes. The Environmental Protection Agency was created. New laws required testing chemicals before use. Scientists developed better ways to detect and track pollutants. For the first time, we started thinking about how chemicals affect not just humans, but entire ecosystems. Today, environmental toxicologists face new challenges. Microplastics in our oceans, forever chemicals in our water, and emerging pollutants we're just beginning to understand. But thanks to the pioneers who built this field, we're better equipped than ever to protect our planet. The history of environmental toxicology isn't just about the past, it's a roadmap for our future. Every disaster prevented, every species saved, and every regulation passed builds on the lessons learned from those who came before. Because in the end, understanding our planet's poisonous past is the key to creating a cleaner tomorrow.